Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to use the ATR Trend Indicator, available exclusively for NinjaTrader. First, once you download the zip file from the website, go to Tools, and then Import and select NinjaScript add-on. Choose the zip file with your ATR Trend Indicator, and done. Easy peasy. Once you follow these steps, you can go to New and open a chart. Choose an instrument and then press OK. Your chart will appear. Then go to Indicators and find the ATR Trend Indicator from the list. Add the email link to your Myindicators account. And then personalize the indicator like you want. In our case, we did not change anything, but go ahead and experiment with it. Click Apply once you're ready. And that's it. Easy to set up, correct? Let us know what you think about this indicator.